Lincoln was thoughtfully designed with your safety and the safety of your family in mind. Let me tell you more. Your vehicle has child-proof locks that can easily be set in order to prevent your rear doors from being opened from the inside. To set the locks, press the button on the driver door with the child icon. The button will illuminate when the locks are set. As long as the locks are set, your rear doors will remain locked from the inside, even when the ignition is turned off. To turn the locks off, simply press the button again. The light will go off, letting you know that the feature is no longer active, and your rear doors will once again be able to be opened from the inside. Just another way that Lincoln lets you glide along, confidently. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.